So, another set of problem, one of the last three problems na meron tayo. So, 16 to 21. Okay? So, anim to. Mukbangin na natin. Mukbangin na natin. Okay. So, this is for problem number 16. Let me have it zoomed. Okay? So, number 16. So, parang yung nakaraang problem. So, a 2.5-inch diameter solid shaft is desired to replace a hollow shaft having 3.5-inch outside diameter. Consider the strength to be the same. Determine the inside diameter of the hollow shaft. So, same problem. Hindi natin kailangan mag-derive for number 16. That is ds cubed do equal to do to the fourth minus di to the fourth. Equals right eh. Ang hinahanap natin is di. Okay? So, this will become di to the fourth equal to do to the fourth minus ds cubed do. O, si di na lang solve natin. Fourth root ni di equal to fourth root din na itong nasa loob. Yung do natin is for hollow shaft yun ha. Outside diameter 3.5 tapos 2.5. 3.5, kaya huwag na natin lagay unit to the fourth minus 3.5 multiply to 2.5 raised to the third power. So, di natin ay equal to, kunin yung value sa calculator, pakipress na lang. Okay? So, that is shift, okay, for truth. Okay, 3.5 raised to the fourth power minus 3.5 times 2.5 raised to the third power. So, 3.125. 3.125 inch. So, check natin if that is correct. 3.13. Basic number 16. Number 17 tayo. Number 17. A 1.8-inch diameter short shaft is used to transmit 45 HP shaft speed. So, PSME formula for short shaft is P equal to D cube N over short shaft, that is 38. Ang kailangan natin ay N. So, in terms of N tayo, N is 38P divided by D cube. Okay. So, the power is, again, 45 and 1.8 each. P is 38 times 45 A over 1.8 cube. So, the power is, calculate. Hindi pala, RPM. RPM ang hinahanap natin. Hindi power ha. N. Mali lang ako nasulat. So, this is N. So, RPM to. Ang kailangan natin ay RPS. So, ang gagawin natin, rev per minute. Okay? Times 1 minute every 60 seconds. So, RPS na lalabas din. So, calculator, 38 times 45, 1.8 raised to the third power times 60. So, the answer is 4.89. 4.89 RPS. So, that is the answer for number 17. Okay. Number 18. A main shaft, also main power transmitting shaft, has 60 mm diameter, running at 280 RPM. What power? Okay, what power can be delivered by the shaft. So this is PSME formula again for main power transmitting shaft. 60 and 280. So number 18. Okay? Power is D cube N over 80. So main power transmitting shaft. So this is 60 mm. So 60 divided by 25.4. Sir, bakit nang ganun? Para maging inch na kagad siya. Cube. Tapos yung N natin is 280. Kung di ako nagkakamali. Divide by 80. So check nyo nga kung tama siya. Okay, 280. So calculator. Press your calculator. Okay. This is 60 divided by 25.4. Okay. Raised to the third power multiplied to 280 divided by 80. So the power is 46.14. Check natin, 46 HP. 46 point, okay, 46.14 HP. 46.14 HP. Basic again. And the next problem. What is the diameter of a line shaft that transmits 180 kilowatts and 20 RPS? 180, 20 RPS. So, English units dapat. Okay? Yan, 180 kilowatts. Line shaft, so number 19. Ang hinahanap natin is the diameter. Okay, so this will become d cube equal to line shaft, that is 53.5 P over N. Okay. So this is 53.5, 180 kilowatts, so 180 divide by 0.746 para maging HP. Divide by yung N natin is 20 RPS, 20 rev per second times 60 seconds per 1 minute. Okay. So the answer for this is 53.5 times 180 divided by 0.746. Okay? 20 times 60. So the answer for that is may nakalimutan tayo. Yung cube root dyan. Okay? So, cube root. The answer na lang, shift store to A. Okay. So, cube root of, recall natin si A. That is 2.2. 2.2075 inch. Basic again. For number 19. So, number 20. You calculate the maximum unit shear. Okay? Calculate the maximum unit shear in 3-inch diameter steel shafting that transmits 25,000 inch-pound of torque at 130 RPM. Maximum unit shear. So, meron kang torque. Okay? Meron kang N. So, maximum unit shear, try natin. Yung number 20. What is the maximum unit shear? Shear stress, 16 T over pi d cube. Ang binigay dyan is 25,000 inch-pound and then 3-inch diameter. So, 16 times 25,000 pound inch per pi times 3-inch cube. Ano bang unit nakalagay dyan? PSI. Okay? Papansinin mo ba yung 130? Hindi na. So, calculate ko na lang dito. 16 times 25,000 divide by 3 raised to the third power times pi. So, napindot ko ng mali. 16 times 25,000. Okay? 3 raised to the third power times, okay, nasa baba dapat. Okay, next natin, times pi. Ayan, 4715.70. 4715.70 PSI. Basic yung mga tanungan. So, number 21. Number 21. Okay, a solid shaft, okay, 5 meters long is stressed to 80 MPa. When twisted, 5 degrees. Find the shaft diameter. Okay, basic. So, this is, doon tayo pupunta kay theta. Kay theta. Theta ba yan? Twisted. Okay, theta. But theta is equal to TL over J. G ang kailangan natin diameter. So, translate natin to ng, okay, translate muna natin siya. This is equal to torque, length over pi over 32 d to the fourth G. Ay, simplify pa natin. This is 32 T L over pi d to the fourth G. Ang kailangan ko ay D, diameter. So, diameter is fourth root ng 32 torque and then length. Divide by pi theta G. O, ayan na. May working equation na ako. So, our diameter is equal to fourth root. Okay, fourth root. 32 times our torque will be, may binigay pang torque. Okay, wala tayong torque. Saan makuha yung torque? Sa stress. Okay? So, burahin ko lang muna to. Working equation natin for stress. So, working SS is 16 T over pi d cube. Yung torque mo dito is equal to SS pi d cube over 16. Sir, pwede ko ba itong saksak dito sa torque? Yes, pwede. So, diameter equal to fourth root. So, 32. Okay? 32 times SS times pi d cube over ulang ng L. 16 pi theta G. O may cancel ba ako? Yes, meron. Ano cancel ko, sir? Cancel ko si... O, tanggalin ko muna yung to the fourth, ha? Para hindi tayo nalilito. Tanggalin ko muna yung to the fourth. Okay? So, this is... simplify natin. D to the fourth equal to. Ayan. So, tanggalin ko muna ulit dito yung radical kasi pwede ko pang makancel yung D. Okay? So, this is D to the fourth equal to. Okay. Cancel natin same unit, same value. 32, tapos 16, magiging 2. Pi. Si D, magiging 1. Si D cube, matatanggal na. So, D will be equal to, nag-algebra lang ako, So, 2 SS tapos L over theta G. Ganun pala yun. Napaikli ko pa. So, 2 times i-SS natin ay, ayun, shear stress is 80 MPa. 80 Newton or MPa na lang. And then the length is 5 meters long. So 5,000 mm na lang yun. Mm. Divide by theta. Ilan degrees yun? 5 degrees tapos 90 GPa. 5 degrees times pi over 180 degrees times 90,000 Newton or MPa. Cancel all same units. Si MPa, si theta. Ang natira is mm na lang. So, calculate the value. 2 times 80 times 5,000. Divide by 5 pi over 180. Multiply to 90,000. So, the answer is 101.86. 101.86 mm. So, what is the correct answer? Check natin kung okay. Up, basic for those problems. Okay? So, another set of problems after this.